Terra Luna Classic continues to outperform the overall cryptocurrency market, and this is a good sign. Alright, we got a lot going on in the crypto world right now. The SEC is acting crazy. We know this. They're coming after Binance. They're coming after Coinbase. They're literally coming after every crypto here in the United States. Well, at least to the current point, saying Bitcoin may be an exclusion. Well, we know Gary Gensler as well. We can get into what Gary Gensler is in this video. But Terra Luna Classic thriving today. It is currently up 7% on the day. It is PewCoin's gem of the hour. It's on the home page there, and it's outperforming the rest of the cryptocurrencies. But we've got a lot brewing under the scenes right now, and we've got a third quarter budget proposal that we absolutely need to go over from the Layer 1 task force in this video. We're not going to get to how much money they want. We'll discuss that in another video. But we're going to talk about what they plan on doing in the third quarter to bring value back to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. Welcome to Lunc Update, your source for the latest news and insights on the Luna cryptocurrency. Stay up to date with our in-depth analysis, expert insights, and up-to-the-minute news. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve in the world of Luna. Now guys, like we said, we went over the price. Terra Luna Classic looking very good this morning. And if you go in and look at some further statistics, you got 72% of all traders buying, 71% of all whales are buying, 77.8% of all pros are buying Terra Luna Classic right now. So the numbers are positive. Okay, we got the rest of the cryptocurrency world. Bitcoin, basically break-even. Ethereum is basically a break-even today. Yet Terra Luna Classic is showing that increased volatility to the upside, which we know is going to increase volume and therefore increase the amount of Terra Luna Classic, both burned and sent to the Unity Core. And let me tell you right now, we are going to need to send Terra Luna Classic to the community pool. Because these developers, they are getting paid, man. They're getting paid probably more than you are, and they're working part-time. So let's discuss this because I can guarantee they're getting paid more than I am. Let's discuss what's going on here in a summary of this third quarter budget proposal. During the second quarter of 2023, as of June 14, the joint Layer 1 task force will have successfully achieved technological parity between the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and other Cosmos blockchains. The first upgrade, V2.0.1, involves upgrading the Cosmos SDK to version 45.13, a Tendermint version 34.24. Additionally, the implementation of Cosmos and V2.0 1.0 will ensure that Luna Classic smart contracts are in parity with other Cosmos blockchains. Furthermore, the 5% minimum validator commission will also be implemented automatically, setting validators to a minimum commission of 5%. So that is what they did in the second quarter. They basically got us back up to parity by doing one upgrade, and they caused all validators to go to a 5% commission so that nobody can compete on a 0% commission. And these validators can make some money and make sure that they're able to fund themselves. So we got some primary benefits that are going to be happening during the third quarter budget. And this is what the Layer 1 task force plans to do during the third quarter of 2023. Here for Terra Luna Classic, you're going to see a USTC reserve proposed and established, beginning to accrue funding. You're going to see the USTC market module tested with a variety of repeg scenarios to gather real-world data. You're going to see risk mitigation measures and capital controls recommended to prevent excess minting of Terra Luna Classic. For example, prevent the death spiral from happening again. Investigate flexibility of market module. For example, is it possible to enable mint burn mechanism in a randomized interval to phase in its implementation? Interesting. And a USDC repeg roadmap developed. So quarter 3 by the Layer 1 task force is apparently going to be all about out testing a USDC repeg. I'm excited about it. Okay, I do want to see USDC repegged. I did not know that that was the Layer 1 task force. I guess wheelhouse I thought it was going to be Redline Drifter and Duncan and these other guys that were out there. But that's on the agenda for the third quarter here. Want to break down a little bit further? July and August investigate possible methods using market module to increase the deflationary rate of Terra Luna Classic supply more burns. Thought the developers hated burns. Whatever. Investigate test to develop, if feasible, a maximum gap on market module to ensure the maximum defined supply of lung is not exceeded. That is necessary. Why would we mint any more Terra Luna Classic ever Don't even let that be an option. Establish USDC reserve architecture including reserve assets and funding model to develop governance proposal. Okay. Research recommended and proposed governance and mechanisms to fund the USDC reserve. Okay, so basically July and August, all about funding USDC reserve pools and getting this testing going for USDC. August to September test, the capability of the market module to function at randomized intervals to allow for a phase and approach of implementation, evaluate tests and document options for ensuring the Oracle pool is gradually replenished. Develop test, propose. Implement Cosmos SDK, and a new upgrade their action final recommendations regarding this other tendermint thing, and go for a bug bounty program. Bug bounty program is something that they got on another proposal or another discussion. We can get into that a little later if you guys want. September to October enable the market module swap mechanism with established capital controls. For example, a max supply limit and a daily limit dependent on successful testing and separate governance proposals. Implement alliance modules, and then we get into the budget, which we will be discussing in detail in a further video. Because good news is it is not as much as previous budgets. Strange news is everybody's working part-time, everybody's working a couple of hours, and they're making full-time salaries. So I am a little skeptical of that. But regardless, it does seem like the third quarter is going to be heavily focused on repegging USDC, testing USDC repeg ideas. And it seems like the Layer 1 blockchain might be under control right now and doesn't necessarily need many upgrades due to the Parity upgrade that we saw during the second quarter here. So we're going to discuss the budget in a further video. Do you think that the entire third quarter should be spent testing a USDC repeg idea? It does kind of go to show the importance of a stable coin, the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. But should we have a little bit more going on? That's all for today's update on Luna cryptocurrency. We hope you found our analysis and insights valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Luna and other exciting blockchain projects. And as always, thanks for tuning in to Lunc Update. We'll see you in the next one.